Okay, so here we are with the 600M juicer. So we're going to assemble the unit today. There's 4 main parts. You've got the base, you've got the juicing bowl, you've got the auger or the juicing screw, and you've got the hopper with the tamper in it. So all we have to do is make sure that the arrows are aligned. You want to put the juicing bowl on, twist it around. Now it's locked in place, it can't move. Now with the auger, we want to put it down, let it sit down a little bit, and then the trick is to just twist it until it sits in place. If we don't get it to sit in place, then the hopper's not going to sit on. So if you can't get the hopper on, we just want to take it off again and push it down and twist. So with the hopper, we want to put it over to the right and then lock it in place until the arrows are joined. If you've done it right, you'll know because the unit will work. So if the lid isn't on, you'll notice that it doesn't work. And there it goes.